Hello to all and welcome back to another Jovian Space Systems stream launch. My name is Aviation, I'm the CEO of Jovian Space Systems, and today we are launching Europa-9 once more. On the pad in front of you is Europa-9 with its fueling. Fueling being done. Hello to all and welcome back to another Jovian Space Systems stream. My name is Aviation, I'm the CEO of Jovian Space Systems. Today we have another launch of Europa-9 with it on the pad right here. If you have any questions, put them in the YouTube chat and I'll do my best to answer them. Today the mission named A Not So Nice Cook is carrying the VARBS satellite. VARBS stands for Van Allen Radiation Belt Surveyor, and it will survey the Van Allen radiation belt to get more data for future space travel. We are T-minus 18 minutes away from liftoff here, listening in on the nets. We should start to hear some calls pick up soon. Today Europa-9 will fly the furthest away it's ever been, going to a 850 by 850 orbit.
Tanks are 60% full. Fuel temperatures and pressures are good.
There we got the call out that the tank pressures and temperatures are good, which is a good sign for an on-time liftoff today. Today will mark the third flight of Europa-9, so we are flying with Europa Booster 003. Today we will be targeting a hard splashdown in the ocean. we will be attempting a landing burn, and a boostback and an entry burn. So we hope that all goes well. And everything is looking good so far.
All systems continuing to track go for launch.
Now, of course, with the excitement of Flight 5 or Flight 6 going down, we are settling back into regular launches on Jovian space systems. Just a reminder, if anybody has any questions in the YouTube, please put them in the YouTube chat and I will do my best to answer them. T-minus 15 minutes here. All systems are still looking good for an on-time liftoff.
POPV pressurization has started.
Alright, coming up soon in the count, we will have the priming of the Europa engines, and then we will have FTS checkouts, followed by the verification of the Mahia tracking station link, and then we will have the ADERS alignment, and then we will have the pogo bleed, as well as the switch to internal power. Bit more about those procedures. As you heard, the COPVs are pressurizing up for flight, which is a good sign that
engines have been primed for flight.
Things are going along nicely. And then there's the priming of the Europa engines, which is another good sign that we are continuing with the count. The net should start to pick up a noise here soon.
Fuel flow rates are nominal. Initial FTS checkouts.
There is the initial FTS checkouts of the vehicle. Coming up soon, we will have the tracking station.
The tracking station has a two-way link with Europa.
And there's that call out there that we have good signal between the Europa-9 and the Mahia tracking station.
Radar's initial alignment has begun.
Oh, hello, Space Eye. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. Yes, IFT6 is very cool, but we don't stop for other companies. I do believe we got that ADA's alignment call out, but I am not too sure as I don't remember hitting it. Well,
Europa sea level and Europa vac pogo bleed procedure RCS testing underway.
Either it was the SpaceX 6 curse or Booster 13 an unlucky number curse, so we don't know. And 13 is an unlucky number.
Power's at a nominal consumption rate.
And there we go, we're getting that power as a nominal consumption rate call out.
Checkouts for switch to internal power. Weather is go at this time.
Good call out there. That weather is currently go.
Nine sea level Europes are at flight temperatures ready for ignition at 1.5 seconds.
Everything is proceeding nominally so far. Soon we should have recovery.
Recovery areas are clear for launch.
And now we're going to have the COPV pressurization confirmation. If anybody has any questions, put them in the YouTube chat. As well as the
COPVs have been pressurized for flight. Systems now switching to internal power. All systems and vehicles now on internal power.
Great news, a good milestone there that we are on internal power, as that is important to the smooth running of the vehicle to lift off. As it is not tethered, so if it lifts off and it's not on internal power, it will not work.
Leaders are now aligned. Ground gas closeouts have started.
There we go. There's some more nominal callouts. Everything is proceeding on thing. SpaceEye, sure. We partnered with SpaceEye. Here's our partner. So shout out SpaceEye.
Leaders showing data with unexpected ranges. Final fuel top-off has started.
Things are about to get busy as we close into the final few minutes of the countdown.
FTS has been armed for flight. Top-off valve has closed. Vehicle is now fully loaded with propellant. Flight computers are communicating with ground computers. Automated checkouts now underway.
Good news there. Coming up soon, we should see that strong back retraction.
Clamps have disconnected. Strong back is retracting to 87.5 degree pre-launch position.
And there it is. There's that strong back retracting, with the venting having stopped.
This is the final go, no-go pull for launch. Propellant. Propellant is go. Propulsion. Propulsion is go. Range. Range is go. Copy. LD is go for launch.
Great news there. We are go for launch.
Tanks are pressurizing for flight. Engine sensors reading green. Go for ignition. RCS testing completed. Nine Europa sea level and Europa vac. Final engine show has started. Engine bay is now purging. T-TED canisters are ready to ignite. Tanks are at flight temperatures and pressures. Minus 1 minute, Europa-9 is in startup. Flight computers have taken over count. Final verification has verified that we are go for launch. Flight data is logging. Ground gas closeout is complete. Europa engine is configured for flight. That's 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff Europa-9. Go VARBS. Go Europa-9. Go Jovian Space Systems.
And there we have the liftoff of Europa-9 on its third flight.
Vehicles pitching downrange, avionic power and telemetry nominal.
And there we get some beautiful ground views here of Europa-9 as it is ascending.
Europa engine propulsion is nominal. Vehicle trajectory is nominal.
Beautiful views down here from the ground cameras.
Propellant levels are nominal. Vehicle supersonic. Vehicles passing through maximum aerodynamic pressure.
Yes, what a view indeed. This is so beautiful from the ground cameras here.
MECO. Stage separation confirmed. Europa vacuum engine ignition. Stage 1 boostback burn. Stage 1 boostback burn checked up. Bearing separation confirmed. Grid fins have deployed. Stage 2 nominal trajectory.
Beautiful launch there. We appear to be having some issues with stage 1, however. It appears to be spinning. We will see what happens there. Just a reminder, we are not attempting a landing yet. That will be with Mark II of Europa-9. Right now we are attempting a hard splashdown in the ocean.
Deco. Europa vacuum and shutdown confirmed. Final trajectory is nominal. Stage 2 is on a nominal orbital transfer.
Views of stage 1 there.
Stage 1 entry burn startup. Stage 1 entry burn shutdown. Spin has stopped. Stage 1 landing burn. Stage 1 has had a hard splashdown. Recovery operators moving to secure the remaining parts of booster with section 3.35.
There we had it. Beautiful launch here. Everything proceeding well. All things appear to be going nominally so far with the second stage. We'll be reviewing that data of the first stage as it was not meant to spin. Yeah. But for now, we're going to be entering a coast phase for some time, approximately 30 minutes. So we'll see you on the other side. Hello to everyone and welcome back. We have just exited our coast phase as we get around to that 850 kilometer mark where the engine will ignite again so we can deploy the payload.
Propellant levels are at nominal levels for stage 2. Europa vacuum engine has been primed for SES2.
Good callouts there, everything continuing to proceed normally.
All stations have verified that they are go for Europa to relight for SES2. Range has verified go. Propulsion has verified go. Propellant has verified go. All stations have been pulled go for SES2. LD and vehicle is go for SES2.
coming up very soon. We should see that engine ignite again.
Go for relight. Europa vacuum engine relight. Europa vacuum engine shutdown. Nominal orbital insertion confirmed.
There we had that nominal orbit insertion, waiting for that payload deploy command sent.
Standby on payload deploy command sent.
It appears we are standing by on the deployment.
Payload deploy command sent. Command has been received. Payload deploy confirmed. VARBS has been deployed into nominal orbit and Van Allen radiation belts. Stage 2 is go for reorientation and go for deorbit burn. Go for deorbit burn. Deorbit burn startup. Deorbit burn shutdown. Nominal deorbit burn path.
Alright, that wraps us up about there. We thank you all for watching. My name is Aviation. I'm the CEO of Jovian Space Systems. We'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.